Hi guys. All right, so I'm going to walk you through some information to help you do some recordings to share with our kiddos. So first thing you're going to want to do is set up your YouTube channel. So you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to want to make sure that you are logged in with your school information. Because we're a Google district, you already have access to your account. So come over to the corner here. If you have multiple accounts, you might already be logged in on a personal one, so you'd have to go to switch account and choose which one. So I made sure I'm logged in with my Wyndham information. Then I'm going to come up here and go to create a video and more. So I want to upload a video. And it's going to take me right to YouTube Studio. So you can see over here is my studio. So before I actually add the video, I want to just walk you through a little bit of your YouTube channel. So on your channel, you want to go to your dashboard and check out some of the stuff that's here. So this will have your latest videos, and it'll tell you how many people have watched it and that kind of thing. It'll tell you if there's any issues going on with YouTube, and it usually has some tips here. It's also important to make sure that you have your settings set for your channel. So you want to make sure you have under advanced settings, go to audience, and you want to make sure that for work, at least for the videos we're going to be making for our students, that you have it set that this is a channel made for kids. So the privacy laws, COPPA, will not allow any advertising to go along with student or kid related videos. So obviously we're making videos for our students, so we're not gonna have to worry about it. So just make sure that you have it set that your channel is made for kids. And this is, you're gonna promise YouTube that you'll only upload content that's made for kids. So you can go ahead and save that. It's giving me a hard time because my webcam box. Okay, so I'll change that later when I don't have the webcam box there. All right, so now you can go to create a video. So there is a easy to find create button up here where you'll be able to upload. I used the photo booth. Now I have a MacBook, so I used photo booth to record my video. You can use whatever video recording app that your computer has. If your computer has a webcam, which most do, you should have an app already installed that will allow you to record using that camera. You can also record using your phone and just do it like you would a selfie, make a video like that, and then you could email that video to yourself or send it to yourself that way, or you could upload it to YouTube. Upload it to Google Drive. So you could always save it to your Google Drive and then you could have it on your computer that way. But chances are your computer or your device, whatever you're using, has a webcam and a way for you to record. So that's going to be different for each computer. If you are working on a MacBook, I used Photo Booth. It was easy to record. So you can see I'm live on here talking now. It takes pictures or videos, so I was able to record that. You could even play around with some of the effects if you wanted to. I'm sure our students would love it if we played around with Photo Booth for a little bit on their videos, but I can definitely help you out if you want to reach out to me. I can help you with your computer. We can FaceTime or whatever you want to do, so I can help you find what would be the best app, but chances are you probably have something installed already. So once you have a video, you will go to select the file, and you will find your video. I can't remember where I saved it. Oh, I think I just dragged it. So from my photo booth, I just clicked here, I dragged it and dropped it. But wherever you have it saved, you can just add it right there with the upload button. So now it's going to bring you through all your different options here. So you can scroll through and check that out. So give it a title, and tell your students what your video is going to be about. I didn't bother with the thumbnails, but if you took screenshots or have pictures you want to include, you can have that up there. I created playlists, so knowing that I work with 3 students, I made a folder for each grade level, and then because I'm doing a lot of combined lessons with 7th and 8th grade, I made a folder for that combo, and then I made a folder for all the videos, or for all the grades. You could make as many playlists as you want there. Make sure you check off that it's made for kids, so that you can be in compliance with COPA. And there's more options too, but since you're not doing any paid promotions, you won't need to worry about any of that stuff. I did change some of mine. I made sure, I clicked off on the show how many viewers like and dislike this video, for comments. I don't think that matters, or that the students need to see that. So, and you'll see it's uploading the video here. That takes a little bit of time. So you'll just need to be patient with that. You can see it's working on uploading. Under video elements, we are not going to be doing any of that, for my videos for my students. So I'm not going to worry about that screen. And then for visibility, you can set it to publish. So you have some options here. I set mine to public so that students and parents could find it if they searched for it. I can't imagine that everyone in the world is going to be searching for my video, so I didn't worry too much about anybody else searching for it. But you do have the option. You could have it unlisted or private. Unlisted would mean that only people you share the video link to would be able to see it. You could also schedule a date. So say you were recording a video late at night and you want it to upload tomorrow morning for your students, you could schedule that time too. All right, so it's going to keep uploading. Now I'm just uploading the same video I had already created here. So it's just got to finish up. It's almost done. And it's just going to be a copy of the one that I already made. So it's uploading, now it's processing, and it's already got the link right there, so I can already copy that link and go off and share it while it's working. But my webcam video here froze. I think my computer's working overtime. And there it goes. Oh, processing a bit. Oh, it's upset because it's already a duplicate. So that's okay because I walked you through. So I already have my video right here that I posted, and it shows the title. I made today's date, and it shows the playlist that I put it under. It's shared to the all students playlist. So then I can come to my playlist here, and I can see the video right there. You can share it. It'll give you all different options. You copy the link and paste that. So then what I did was open up Google Classroom. My Google Classroom always opens with my personal account, so I have to switch to my work one. So here's all of my lessons. Then I went into Google Classroom and I did it as a share something. So I just clicked all of my classes. And then I'm going to add it using the link that I copied from the article. And you press share. Oh, I didn't copy it right. Oh, you know why? I'm copying the link to the playlist, not my video. So I'm going to come back here to your video so I can copy the individual link from the video. So open up just that video. There I am, me with my coffee. And I'm going to go to share, copy. So now I'm on the actual video before I was trying to copy the link to the playlist. So that I can come back and paste that video. And there it is. Why isn't it letting me add? Oh, got to select it. Press add. And then it would put it right there and I could type something to my class. Because I selected all students, it would already come up. Here's today's check-in video. And then I would press post and it would automatically go to all 9 of those classes, or I could save it as a draft. So I'm going to press cancel because I already did this. But once you press post, it comes up just like this. And you can always edit it, copy it, delete it. But my students can come right to their Google Classroom and see the video right there. All right, so that is all I have for you. If you have more questions or you want some help figuring out what video recording apps you have right on your own device, just send me a message or send me an email, text, whatever works for you, and I can help you see what you have on your computer or your device. Talk to you soon, guys.